A historic blizzard swept through the Northeast over the weekend, but not even a snowstorm could stop this couple's dream winter wedding. This was the scene at the Park Savoy just moments after they said "I do" as the snow started to accumulate in Morris County, New Jersey. Joining us now are newlyweds Kevin and Sedona Origoni to discuss their big day. Congratulations to the two of you. Just an incredible day. I mean, you got to take me through all of this because Sedona, I'm a bride myself. I'm getting married this year, so I know how much planning this took to get to just a winter wonderland of your dreams.
Yes. Hi, Jane. Thank you so much, and Fox, for having us on, first of all. And congratulations to you on your upcoming wedding. Yeah, it was a whirlwind of the past 48 hours, so to speak. But I definitely did, I knew February wedding, we might have some snow. And in the back of my mind, I was kind of praying for just a little bit, maybe 1 to 3 inches, a light dusting. Clearly got more than I was asking for. But, throughout the week, I was checking the weather, as I feel every bride-to-be does, no matter what season you get married in. You check the weather. You want to know what is it going to be on that big day that I've spent so much time and so much energy, putting into and planning. So at first I said, oh, wow, 1 to 3 inches. That's going to be beautiful. It's going to be perfect. And then, okay, no snow. That's fine, too. And then maybe 4 to 7 inches. I was like, well, that's kind of a lot. And then obviously just huge historic blizzard, which was, looking back, everything was perfect. I think no matter what happens on your wedding day, it's just so magical. Everything just will work out. It will be perfect. But there was some stress that went into that day.
I can imagine.
Yes.
What was that like? I mean, communicating with your vendors, your photographer. I mean, as you're gearing up for this, and this was also too nothing short of for Mother Nature giving us, like that short runway of 2 to 3 days where it went from 0 to 100 in the forecast. So what was that like for you? I imagine the stress, but for your vendors and making sure that everybody showed up on time and was able to just make it such a beautiful day overall.
Yes, and that's exactly where I was going. The night before, we were getting ready for our rehearsal dinner to meet all of our family and friends for our welcome party. And our vendors, they all reached out to me. I didn't have to contact anyone. Shout out to Sam and Jess from the Park Savoy. They called me the day before, and I was very concerned that Sam was calling to tell us we had to cancel. He called and he said, we are ready to go. Everything will be perfectly fine. We will handle it. We are prepared. The limousine company, BBZ Limo, they called. They said, don't worry about it. There might have been some issues with if there's a commercial ban, but everything, Jam Music, they called us, said, we're going to be there. The party's going to be on. Don't worry. So, even though you have a little bit of anxiety and you still don't know how everything's going to turn out, having them call me to tell me that from their end everything was taken care of was just a huge weight lifted off of my shoulders. That's why you put so much time and energy into picking your vendors, because they're there for you on your big day. And of course, Elaine and Leo from Emerlin Photography and Films, all of these beautiful photos that we're going to have, and they were with us there. There was no talk from any of our vendors on, we're not sure how we're going to do this, or, we can't come. So that was just truly a blessing.
Yeah, and your photos, just a dream come true with the snow falling and, thankfully it was really kind of just getting going. But how did the guests react to this storm? Because there were a couple of challenges that unfolded as we went through the evening with the travel bans and, of course, the idea that we were getting this historic blizzard in the snow. Was everyone able to attend?
Yeah, no, great question. So the day before, as well as the morning of, we did have quite a few guests that were reaching out to us, understandably so, saying, hey, we love you guys, but we're so sorry we can't make it. I had some family coming in from out of town that they weren't sure when they'd be able to get back home. So obviously all of those things took into play, but we invited around 135 guests, and we did have right around 100 show up. So we had a really great turnout. And getting to the church, like you said, at that point in the day, the snow was coming down, but nothing was sticking. So we did have almost everybody that came that day showed up at the church for us, which was just a beautiful moment. You know, when I walked in those doors, or when the doors opened and I saw everyone that was there, it was just very touching for us, because, you know, that's your village that takes the time out of their day, even in a historic blizzard, to show up for you. And then people came. Our timeline kind of got blown away a little bit. We were supposed to have some time in the middle of after the church ceremony and before heading over to the Park Savoy. We were supposed to have about an hour and a half, 2 hours, so that we could have our photos and not feel rushed throughout the day. And then we wanted to join our guests during cocktail hour. But with everything that went on, we said, just leave the church, come right to the Park Savoy. Again, they were fantastic. They opened up the doors. They were ready for us. They were ready for our guests. They took care of them. So we didn't get to see everybody at cocktail hour, but I did just kind of run out, and I thanked everybody for being there. And then, you know, the reception kicked off a little early, and we got the party going.
Got the party started. I mean, Mother Nature's got her hand in everything, but in this sense, I mean, it was truly just a beautiful evening for the two of you to begin this brand new chapter. Kevin, Sedona, do you have any advice for future couples who may have to deal with unexpected weather situations when planning their wedding? I mean, it's one of those things. You mentioned checking the forecast. When you booked the venue, booked Park Savoy, set your wedding date, I mean, it's it's impossible to forecast what the ultimate wedding day will be.
Yes, no, absolutely. I mean, first, I just want to give acknowledgement and a shout out that although we're here today talking about our wedding day, there were plenty of brides on February 22nd that we will all share this wonderful, maybe a little traumatic memory of getting married during a historic blizzard, but we are not the only ones that got married that day. So shout out to all of the brides on that day and all of just the couples. Congratulations to you guys. And then, yes, for any future brides, you can plan everything down to a T. Trust me, I was that type A bride. I did, but this was something I absolutely couldn't plan for. And I think the best advice I can give you is, when you wake up that morning, that's your wedding day. Just show up and embrace it. Embrace every moment, because it's truly about you and your to-be husband and your family and friends, and everything will work itself out. And again, just choosing your vendors, making sure that when you're in that stage of wedding planning and you're making those decisions, really pick the people who you connect with, because again, they're just as much a part of your day as your mom and dad, honestly, at that point. So I think that's the best advice that I can give.
And it's great advice that I will take from you as well. Yes. But just an incredible story, a wedding to remember, not just for the two of you, but all of your guests. I mean, what a way to kick off this brand new chapter. Congratulations to you both, Kevin and Sedona Origoni. Thank you for sharing this with us at Fox Weather, and we are wishing you all of the brightest days ahead for what's to come.
Thank you so much, Jane. We appreciate it.